Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Legal Point. I'm Shika Rajta, and today we're breaking down a recent and very important judgment from the High Court of Himachal Pradesh that touches upon crucial aspects of the Negotiable Instruments Act. First, let's get into the case details. Court. In the High Court of Himachal Pradesh, Shimla case number, Criminal Appeal number 531 of 2010. Date of decision, July 10, 2025. Appellant, MS Himalya Plastic Ltd. Respondents, Ram Singh, Koram, Honorable Mr. Justice Rakesh Kaintla, Judge. Now, let's understand the gist of the case. 1. This appeal was filed by MS Himalya Plastic Ltd against a judgment dated May 28, 2010, passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class, Solon. 2. The learned trial court had acquitted the respondent, Ram Singh, of an offence punishable under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881. 3. The complainant, MS Himalya Plastic Ltd, alleged that the accused purchased items on credit and issued a check for R656,212 Chias, which was dishonored with the endorsement, account closed. 4. A demand notice was served, but the accused failed to pay. 5. The accused, Ram Singh, stated in his defense that he had paid the entire amount and issued a blank check as security, which was misused. He also claimed no notice was served. 6. The trial court acquitted the accused, primarily finding that Sita Ram Verma, who filed the complaint on behalf of the company, was not properly authorized. 7. The trial court also noted the complainant failed to produce documentary evidence that the amount was legally recoverable, supporting the accused's plea that it was a blank security check. Before we dive into the legal points, if you're finding this information helpful, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to Legal Point and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now let's move on to the legal points involved in this case. 1. The primary legal issue revolved around whether Sitaram Verma was properly authorized to file the complaint on behalf of MS Himalya Plastic Ltd. 2. Previous judgments of the same High Court involving the present complainant had already held that Sitaram Verma was not authorized as per the resolution of the Board of Directors or as a principal officer of the company. 3. The Memorandum of Article of Association of Himalya Plastics confers the power to institute legal proceedings upon directors, plural, not a single director. Or, the power of attorney was given by Madan Sharma, the managing director, and not by the directors assembled at a board, despite there being other directors mentioned. 5. It is a settled legal position that for a juristic person like a company, any person representing it must be authorized by the company under its Articles of Association or by a separate resolution. 6. The High Court reiterated that its interference with a judgment of acquittal is warranted only if the judgment suffers from patent perversity, is based on misreading or omission of material evidence, or if no two reasonable views are possible and only the view consistent with the guilt of the accused is possible. 7. If two reasonable conclusions are possible on the basis of the evidence on record, the appellate court should not disturb the finding of acquittal recorded by the trial court. And finally, the result of the case. 1. The High Court upheld the decision of the learned trial court. 2. The complaint was not filed by a properly authorized person, making it not maintainable. 3. Therefore, the appeal filed by MS Himalya Plastic Ltd was dismissed. So, the High Court emphasized the importance of proper authorization when a company initiates legal proceedings, especially in cases under the Negotiable Instruments Act. This ruling serves as a crucial reminder for all companies to ensure their legal representatives are duly authorized according to their Articles of Association and board resolutions. That's all for today's legal breakdown on Legal Point. If you have any questions or comments on this case, please leave them down below. And remember, for more legal insights, keep watching Legal Point.